What is it even? What does it do? Why do I need a white toner printer? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. I will show you guys how to use this in another video. This is literally just everything you're gonna get right out of the box. Obviously, you're going to get your printer, which is a good size printer. This is gonna need something sturdy to sit on. It's not that big, so you could easily put it on a cart that can roll in and out of your workspace. It's really just like a sleek printer machine that's not huge, but it's decent size. So there's that. Get a power cord with it, and then you'll get a power voltage box so that you don't blow up your walls. My favorite part that you get, hands down, is the 16x20 heat press. It's an auto open heat press, and I'm going to show you guys my favorite parts. I've been using heat presses for a while, and I've always just gone for the cheap guys, right? And I just thought they sufficed because they were just cheap, which they do. And if you are starting out and you're just getting to learn heat presses, there is no problem with just getting one of those $100 heat presses on Amazon. But when you want to have a business or you want to step up your game, this heat press is gonna do it. It is insane. So it has a magnetic closure, which I am in love with. So it is not super hard to close unless your pressure is set to pretty high. For doing like heat transfer vinyl and things like that, it's gonna be game changer. I cannot wait to use it with all of the things that I do. It has an auto open mechanism, which I'm shook. Like, it literally counts down at the last 3 seconds with a beep, but then it auto opens. You could be prepping another shirt or doing something else. So the fact that you can walk away from it, but know that it's still working for you, but it's gonna alert you that it's done, but it's also going to open when it's done, is really awesome. Favorite thing about the heat press is that it is touch screen, and you just type in your temperature and your time setting. Every step of white toner printing does take different temperatures and different times, which I started writing down for my next tutorial to show you guys actually how to do the whole process. The touch screen would have taken a long time if I had to tap it, but since I can type it in, it was super fast. I also love that the whole tray pulls completely out, and it is so heavy duty that it will not fall over. You guys know we've been using the cheap 5-in-1, which again is a great heat press to start out on, but it is kind of dangerous when it's such a low weight machine that it just kind of falls over when you pull the tray out or the tray comes off completely. So this guy is not gonna do that. But also comes fully loaded with all 4 cartridges. Now, when I did the pre-training, they were telling us how like each cartridge has to be put in a specific way, not CMYK, but like a special way for white toner printer. And I was just very, very thankful that when I first opened it, I realized it's preloaded. So you don't really have to worry about that because it does come already in the order that you need for white toner printing, but they're also already full and in there. It has the levels right here on the little gauge to tell you what level your toner is at. So preloaded in the order that it's needed. And then the screen is super self-explanatory to tell you like if your toner is low, which it also comes with a huge black cartridge toner. It also comes with the Luminaris software, and it has a PC version and a Mac version, which was super easy to set up. It's very, very basic, so it's super easy to use. You're not gonna need a design degree to be able to use it. I literally dragged in a PNG and printed it. You don't have to flip it. You can crop it a little bit, but very self-explanatory and super easy to use. So you'll get 200 sheets of the 2-step transfer paper, which is equivalent to 100 projects. You can print more than one project on each sheet, so it isn't just 100 projects. You get 100 part A, 100 part B, and so altogether you have 100 pairs of papers that you can do stuff, because this is a 2-step process, which again, I will walk you through everything you'll need to know to actually get your printer to get your project finished in the next video. Also comes with a live training, which I have already introduced you guys to Ricoma through my 10 needle embroidery machine that I'm still learning, but this guy was way easier to use, so my live trainings aren't necessarily as needed for this. Any machine that you buy through Ricoma comes with these online trainings, and by the time you take all the quizzes and tests, you know so much about it and you can get trained by their professionals. I believe you can even go there and learn hands-on with their machines. So I would check that out if you're in their area. If you're not though, online training is awesome. You made a big investment and you want to make sure that your machine is protected. So the 18-month warranty is on the heat press as well as the printer itself. You'll get 25 16 by 20 inch Teflon sheets, which is super helpful. I just stored them under my heat press. Those will go a very long way because you can use a Teflon sheet over and over and over again. That's good for making sure your heat is distributed when you're making your projects and all the things. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see me make with this. I have a whole lineup of videos that I already have planned. So we're going to teach you how to do it. We're going to tell you what it is and what is it even? What does it do? Why do I need a white toner printer? I am so excited that I am getting it fired up. Also, this is a design that I designed myself and it is available to my members, AuntieTay.com. All of my designs that you see ever in my videos, I give to my members. It's an $8 a month crafting membership and I have thousands of designs. And with white toner joining the family of Auntie Tay machines that I'm going to be specialized in, I'm going to be designing tons of files, and all the sublimation files we already have will work for this machine as well. And anything I recommend for this machine will also work for sublimation. So whether you're in either one of those categories, my membership is great for you. But we also have SVG files and printables and tons of other things. I'd love to have you part of my community. So if you're new here, join us. If you're not, you know you're already loved. I will see you guys in the next video.